Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you 16 by 20 inch or 50 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I put some grey paint on, and it has silicone and all sorts of stuff in it, so who knows, but that's okay, because what I want to do is a spatula swipe and taken from the centre here. So I've got lots of colours. I've got bright red, gold, yellow, lemon yellow, orange, medium green, black and white, and a bit of gold. So we're going to see how this turns out, and I'm just thinking how to do this. Alright, so so if I do it like this, and then swipe, have all the colours. Some blue. Did I say blue before? Well, I got some. The recipes for the pouring medium and the paints you'll find under Show More below this video. And you'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. And you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. Right, I might just leave that at that and do the spatula, and then after I've done that I might put some black and white on and use a card. So we'll just see how this goes. Look at all the air bubbles. Alright, stop talking. Okay. Here we go. I like it. One. Not so much there. Alright. Okay, that's looking rather interesting, isn't it? So, we'll have a little bit of red. Some black. Not that I need a lot of black. I think we'll put some white in. And a little bit of green. Okay. Here we go. Very interesting. That needs to be brightened up there, doesn't it? Well, I think it does. And the yellow's rather nice. And some blue. Right. Yes. How cool is that? You know, I'm not going to do too much more to this. I think this here's about the middle. Just do a little swirly swipe. A little bit of yellow in there. And some red. I think that's good. Right, I'm just going to torch that. I'm not touching that anymore. No, no, no. Oh, maybe there. What can I do there? Right. Okay. Oh, come on. That is not playing my game. Alright, so I'll just do this. Not happy, Jan. Now, what other colour was it? White. Alright, let's do it now. Okay, so it's slightly different, but not too bad. Okay, so I'd better leave it while it's good. Keep fiddling till you mess it up. I do, yes. I will not argue with that point. Goodness gracious. But I do happen to have, where's black? There it is. This red spot I don't like. Okay, so that can stay gone. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look. And I think I've told you everything. Recipes for the paints, the pouring medium, under show more. A link to my Facebook group, Australia Art Dreaming, under show more. And this is what I've been looking at. And the cells are just beautiful. This is really nice. I'm very, very happy. Oh, can't believe it. Copious amounts of cells within cells, all different colours. It's absolutely great, gorgeous. Alright, well, if you haven't already, please click on subscribe and the little bell. You'll be notified then when I put up new videos. Come across to Australia Art Dreaming. We'd like to have your company. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and please give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next one. So, bye for now.